To begin, start by being on all fours with your spine in alignment. Maintaining a tight core, raise your right arm out straight and hold for 5 seconds, then lower it back to the starting position. Repeat this same step with the other arm. Continue alternating arms while maintaining a straight spine. Work up to 10 repetitions on both sides. Next, perform the same exercise but with legs. Maintaining a straight spine and alignment, hold for 5 seconds, then lower back down. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Be careful not to raise your leg too high that you are rotated. To progress further, raise your right arm and left leg simultaneously. Be sure to keep your core tight and to maintain proper spine alignment. Try to hold for 5 seconds in this position. Perform the same step on the other side. Work up to 10 repetitions on both sides. For additional resistance, dumbbells and ankle weights can be used. Try to maintain optimal alignment and a tight core. Hold still for 5 seconds in each position and work up to 10 repetitions on both sides. So we can continue to make these videos, please subscribe to our channel.